Hi there. When your PC crashes with a blue screen error, Windows automatically creates a dump file, which contains helpful troubleshooting information, including the stop codes that led to the error. Opening and analyzing the dump file can help you determine which drivers or programs led to the crash. To read the dump file, you'll just need to download a simple free crash analyst tool like WinDbg or BlueScreenView. This guide will walk you through opening, analyzing, and making sense of the Windows crash dump files. You can install WinDbg from Microsoft Store. This is a free debugging tool from Microsoft that will help you analyze all types of dump files, including memory dumps from blue screen errors. To download WinDbg, head over to the description section of this video. From Microsoft, click Get in Store app. This will open a Microsoft Store app. Click Get button to install the WinDbg preview. This can take some time to finish. Click Open button to open WinDbg. You can also find it at the Start menu. If you want to analyze system-level dump files, you'll typically need the administrative privileges. I suggest you run the WinDbg as administrator. To do that, open Start menu, right-click WinDbg Preview, select Run as Administrator. Click Yes button. Click the File menu and select Start Debugging. A list of debugging processes will appear. Select Open Dump File. You see a supported file formats area that displays a list of dump format and file extension you can debug with this tool. Click Browse button and select the dump file. The location of your dump file will vary. You usually find the dump file by clicking this PC, double-click C drive, click Windows, scroll down, double-click mini dump folder. Select the dump file which contains .dmp extension and click Open button. WinDbg will now load the dump file in Analyzer. This might take a few moments depending on the size of the file. Type the following command into the command line and press Enter key. This process might take some time as the dump file can be rather large. You'll know the analysis is complete when the process bar is no longer moving. You can look for model name and failure bug ID in the analyzer to find the specific program or driver that caused the crash. The image name displays the driver that caused the blue screen of death error. When you find the driver that caused the blue screen of death error, make sure to update the driver. The BlueScreenView by Nearsoft is a free utility making it easy to open and analyze mini dump files created by Windows blue screen crashes. You can download the tool from Nearsoft website. A description section of this video will contain the download link. Download the BlueScreenView zip file, which is portable. Extract the zip file. Double-click the BlueScreenView.exe. Click Yes button. The column line, which is labeled as caused by driver, will list the driver that cause the blue screen of death error message. Make sure to update the driver that cause the blue screen of error message. That is it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.